Hello, like connoisseur, my name is Dmitry from Weird Mixology. Today we will make some kind of variation for Gibson with the name of an Embalmy One. So, to make it, we need 45 milliliters of vodka infused on a bay leaf, pink pepper and allspice. After this, we will add some dry vermouth, about 15 milliliters, and some saline solution, about 2 drops, and some anzor brine. Anzor is a half of onion and half of garlic from Uzbekistan. Let's go. So we need to add the ice and stir it well. After this, we need to put the anzor onion to our fancy glass, and we can pour the drink. This is my favorite type of drinks.